Today I have a 2013 Mack dump truck. This truck has a Cummins engine, 400 horsepower, it has an Allison Auto transmission, it's a quad axle, and it has low miles, 185,000. It's double framed, 17-foot dump body. Give me a call, like, subscribe, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Check the description section below for more details. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for stopping in, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and happy trucking.